The weather right now in Pennsylvania is slushy and snowing, and we realize there's a lot of customers who are forced to drive their Mustang year-round, including bad weather. If you're one of those people, today we're going to show you how to protect your carpet with help from Husky Liners. These Husky WeatherBeater liners are made right here in the USA and guaranteed for life, and are computer designed to fit the floor of any 2015 through 2018 Mustang. They're made of a heavy-duty rubberized material and feature spikes on the back to make sure they don't move around, along with the factory anchor points. These are excellent for protection against bad weather or any kind of dirt or spills. At this point, you're probably asking if we are seriously doing an installation video on floor mats. But the reason we're doing this, we want to show you the fitment of the mat and show you one thing in particular. With the factory mat, you have these anchor points here to pop it up. You do want to remove the factory mat before you install your Husky liners, because they will use the factory anchor. Make sure the mat is in place underneath everything. And then line these up, and it will lock in when you get it straight to the factory anchors. And you can see how well it fits the floor, and then edging around the edge, anything you might happen to spill on the floor is going to keep it on the mat. The Husky WeatherBeater liners are a perfect fit for the floor of the Mustang and do a great job protecting the carpet. Installation couldn't be easier. We'll be back on the road in no time.